Alright guys, just wanted to show you real quick. If you look on my phone where Dropbox is at the top, I'm going to click on Dropbox. So within this Dropbox, this is my personal Dropbox. I'm going to go down to where it says Momentum Solar, created a folder there. Within here, I've got different folders as well. And we can get together later to show you more of this. But in clients, this is where I've got people that you can see failed credit, follow-up, no sales, and signed. And then these other two were people that I actually created these folders as I was in the home because I didn't know if they were going to sign or not. So right here, I created this Hope Douglas right here, and she's actually a follow-up that I'm going on. And so I just haven't moved her into there just yet. And then this Pam lady right here is somebody that I needed to move over to a no sale. But that's typically how I go ahead and get started. Is I go ahead and at the top right where those three dots are, I go ahead and, or I'm sorry, where the plus is, I create a new folder. Right there, create new folder. And then I will end up naming it something with a number and then their name. And that number corresponds with the amount, the sale that it is. So I have a continuous running order of the sales that I'm doing. And then now that this folder is empty, as I'm talking to people in the home and I'm getting a picture of their bill. So if I go over here and I get a picture of their bill, now what I'm going to do is at the bottom here, that little share button, I'm sure it's different on an iPhone. I will go and share this and it will pop up with some options for me. And then I will go to add to Dropbox. And so now I'm going to go back because it automatically goes into the Dropbox there. And so here's my Momentum folder. I'm backing out, but Momentum, Clients. And then now I'm going to go to open that folder, or put it in that folder. You see where it says 60 name. So I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to go ahead and add that. So the bill's already added in there. And then I'm going to send it to revisions. When I get my dispo sheet popped up, same thing. I'm going to go ahead and just add this all into the folder while I'm either in the home or I've already collected all this information in the home that I'm going to send out to Texas Sales Paperwork. Now, once I get ready to send this to Texas Sales Paperwork, I'm going to go back to my Dropbox. And now let's just say in this folder, 60 name, that all of my stuff's in here. All my required paperwork, because I should have already gotten a picture of the bill, a picture of the dispo sheet, you know, your install agreement, all the stuff that you're going to need should already be in here, right? Now I'm going to press share. And at the bottom right, you see create link. So I'm going to create a link. And then I'm going to press on Outlook because it's going to send that link to Outlook. And then I'm just going to go Texas Sales Paperwork. I will type in the person's name. And then I will write signed dividend. Or I might put in there cash agreement, you know, install agreement attached, down payment receipt attached, or a picture of the check. I'll make sure I put all that in there. And then from here, I just send that off. And I get that done right outside the home. And then I'll update my CRM as well. And usually within about 10 minutes or so. Let me show you one real quick that was on here. And I will show you how quickly he gets back. So right here, you can see this one was Wednesday. Well, yesterday it showed me the time, but this was 10 minutes later. I sent this in, signed dividend, and then Texas Sales Paperwork replied uploaded 10 minutes later. So I was done. Now I can move on to the next appointment.